Hey, 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 what are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Trust. The light in you cannot be dimmed. All right, which item has our quotes today? It's never too late for a new beginning in your life. Food is more than just calories, it is information. So what are you eating? Remember that your mental health is a priority, your inner peace is essential, and your self-care is a necessity. Procrastination is not a form of laziness at all. It is a coping mechanism for stress. Mel Robbins. Stop apologizing for being yourself. Yeah. And the last one today. Always remember, life is short. Live it. Love is rare. Grab it. Anger is fear. Let go of it. Fear plays with your mind. Face it. Memories are sweet. Cherish them. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.